Hi guys. Guys, ito po yung malunggay guys. Ayan, dami pong bunga guys. Yan. Guys, daming bunga po. Wala na po siyang dahon. Bunga na lang po sa bulaklak guys. Yan. Napakaganda po. Ayan guys, so, daming bunga. Ayan guys. Pumunta po ako dito guys. At nakita ko po maraming bunga guys. Napakagandang tingnan guys kasi puno ng bunga. Ayan guys. Six o'clock guys, pumunta na po ako dito guys. Pakita guys. Guys. Thank you guys. Kasi ito yung sa akin guys. Maraming papaya guys. Inog na guys. Ayan, may papayang napakaraming bunga guys. Ayan guys. Ayan pa yung isa guys. Ayan guys. Napakaraming bunga guys. Thank you guys.